Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Kingdom Faith Outdoors channel. My name is Miguel Fuentes, and today is Tuesday, and I have a day off today. So far, I caught one bluegill and one channel catfish. See if I will bring. Hopefully, there's some fish here. There was something there. Right near the log down there. Come on, baby. Oh, you're there. Such a beautiful morning. I missed again. And it took my worm. Darn it. Let's go to the other side. Catch there. Alright, let's go ahead and do our devotional. Galatians chapter 6 verse 9 says, "And let us not grow weary while doing good, for in due season we shall reap if we do not lose heart." Paul made it clear that, yes, sowing and reaping is real. I can tell you that by experience. But, I always understand that I am truly amazed at how God really changed my life around. And, I always, no matter how hard I work, I will always reap what I've sown, because I made so much effort to make the shows look good. I personally understand that it is by the will of God that I have to learn how to love myself and to love God first than anything else. It's the way that we live, and it really counts, and that it is by the love of God that we understand that we must be focused on the things of God rather than the things of this world. And so it's really, really important to stay courage, to not lose heart, because we are weeping for what is good in the sight of God, you know. So that's my 2 cents. I hope you guys enjoyed this fishing video. May God bless you. May God keep you. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.